In this video, I want to introduce you to this text-based website that you can use to solve a problem. And listen good if you understand how to use this already. So there is more to it. There's a lot of things that you are going to learn in this video. This is called Chatgpt. Chatgpt is a text-based website. You ask questions from it and you get results. So depending on how much question you ask from it, that's the accurate results you are going to get. So the first step in this video is I will be introducing you to how to install it. Okay, so I'll come to this tab above here and I'm going to log out. Okay, so now it's asking us to sign in or sign up, but for those that don't know how to get to this place, I will be showing you how. So you come to your tab and you search for OpenAI, openai.com. So then you click on it. Okay, so where is it? You just need to come here, but now what you want to, sometimes you see the get to the website through here, but now that we're not seeing it, so what we just need to do is, let me set my screen to desktop site. So okay, so this is what the application is capable of. Okay, so this is what the website is capable of. You can see different, you can just read through them in case you are just installing this. So but I won't be diving much into it. So what you just need to do, come to this learn OpenAI. So you can see it right here. Let me zoom in so you can see learn about OpenAI. So showing like this. So immediately come to your tab and this is it right here. So you click on it. So and it's redirecting us here. So this is their research, this is what they are trying to build again. So now you see this rectangle gradient stuff, I don't know what it's called. So you see right here, introducing ChatGPT. You just tap on it. Just tap on it. Okay, so now we've reached this side. So you this option, try GPT here at your left hand side. So just tap try ChatGPT. Okay, so I'll be my screen to normal screen to continue with my Google, or you can add your email address here. So then we're selecting any of this. Okay, so welcome to the part 2 of this video. So if you reach this point, congratulations, because you'll be learning a very lot of things. So now let me quickly introduce you to the interface. So this is it. This example what you can search for. So and its capability right here and its limitation. So its limitation, it often generates incorrect information, may occasionally produce harmful instruction or biased content. So you can read through here. So you can click this plus icon to add a new conversation, or you click these three dots at this left hand side right here to check your previous conversation with the AI. Okay, so you can see new chat here, or you click on the plus icon. So here are some of the questions I've asked this AI and it's giving me a massive result. So how to do it is what I'm about to show you now. So take for instance, you are a content creator, like you are building your social media just like your Facebook. So you can just come here to generate some information, some copy of text you get, then you modify it yourself, then you do that. So that's to that. So if you're a graphic designer, follow me carefully. I'll be asking some random question now. So I want to ask some question that I want to create a birthday design for a man. Let's just take this prompt like that. So for a man, so what are the colors to be used, and their I'm sorry, okay, their let me adjust this X code. Am I right? This like this X code. So the AI is going to load this now. So you can see this right here. So when designing a birthday flyer thing for a man, like I'm trying to be definite this time. There are some design that you made that is for a lady, just like pink. So for a man, so this is what you need to do. You need to download. You can use navy blue, forest green, charcoal gray, and many more like this. So it has listed 10 options, 10 colors for you to choose with their color code. So now I'll be asking the AI another question, like if selecting, I think blue is okay, navy blue. So if I'm selecting blue, what are the if I'm selecting blue, okay, let me use this way as my dominant color. What are the other colors that match? So now we have it. So you click on search. So we are doing this in order to get a full details of what we're about to do. So you can just come down here. So it's giving me this like this. If you are choosing blue, you can use, so these are colors that work well with blue, and it's also giving me their color code because I've asked from my previous conversation with the AI. So you can see, so you can just come down here and copy it. You can just come to this button right here and click on copy. So now if you're really learning something, go to the comment section just now and type value. So let's continue. So with this brief now, I already know what to design. So I'll just add my elements and I'll do some other manipulation with it. So let's try another prompt. Okay, now let's try another prompt, maybe the last prompt. So you just type, how do you get engagement? So one thing I want to also advise you guys is that let your question be so deep that the AI is going to give you more detailed questions. So just like this one now, you can Just like what we generate from here, you can click on regenerate here if you are not satisfied with what you have. So how can I get engagement from Facebook? So if this is your challenges, so let's try and look at the suggested ways. Okay, so create compelling content. So you read through, know your audience, so you can ask question, response to comments. Yes, these are, so you responding to comments, people will believe that you have time for them, so next time they ask question and you give them solution. So from there you are engaging. Use visuals. Yes, yeah, you don't always type, so you use some memes, photos like that. So from there you leverage on Facebook Live. So these are just, yes, I'm even learning something from this now.